So I'm super excited to be filming this video. Normally, as you guys know, you usually see my hands in the videos, but for today I thought that I would start introducing myself more on videos whenever possible, just because I think it's just really fun when I see creators that I love and I can really kind of, you know, just get to know them more personally and see more aspects of them. So I thought I would do this, so we'll see how it goes. To start off, I wanted to talk a little bit about my studio. I want to say, guys, that I know that a lot of you who craft probably have been thinking or dreaming about having a studio or a craft room for many years or for like ever. And I was one of those people too. And I feel so blessed right now to say that I actually have a room dedicated to doing what I love to do, which is creating and designing and then also doing YouTube videos. So if you guys are feeling like, you know, like you are not going to get to the point where you have something like a craft room or studio, don't lose hope. You know, you can make your dreams come true. I work really hard to do, I've worked really hard to get to this point, and I just want to thank everyone who's been on this journey with me and continues to be on this journey with me. You guys have no idea how appreciative I am of every single person who supports me by going to my shop, who watches my videos, who likes these videos. All of those things have had such a huge impact on my life that I can't even really put it into words. So I just want to thank all of you guys who are here with me right now, and yeah, let's get the studio tour going. So this is the best before picture I got of the actual room for you guys. We removed the rug, we painted the walls at this point and started prepping everything and installed a few things, but I wanted you guys to kind of see where it came from before it was fully finished. So this is the best shot that I was able to get because I kind of forgot. But as you guys can see, look at this room. Me and my husband installed all of this stuff other than the wall unit. My husband even installed the floors, and he's not a contractor. He doesn't know about any of this stuff, you guys. So shout out to Mr. Sassy because he's the bomb.com and like the sweetest, most supportive husband. So I'm so happy with how this room turned out, and I still can't believe this is like my craft room. Like, I still can't believe it when I go in there. So I'm going to talk about the first thing you guys see when you walk into this room, which is my little unit over here by the wall by the front door of my craft room. This hexagon shelf I absolutely love. I ordered this off of a small shop on Etsy, and if I can remember their name I will link them because I love supporting small shops, as I'm a small shop myself, so I know that it really helps out people a lot when you do that. So shout out to her, you did an amazing job. I love all the little elements I put, and as you guys can see, I've got my little real monsters in there, hashtag 90s kid. So if you guys like that, let me know in the comments. I want to hear what your guys' favorite items are in the room. Most of the things in there I might switch out over time or during the season to decorate for the season. I just really haven't decided. I put my typewriter there, my pin collection, which my paper clips are made by my friend Deb, who also has an amazing shop. So if you want to, you know, check her out as well. I also have my little tool caddy. I have one of my planners, a candle, and then that shelf area, honestly, that's one of those Calyx or Alex units, I'm not sure what it's called, that's turned over to the side, but most people have seen those at IKEA. I didn't know what to put in here at first, and I'm still deciding if I'm going to keep this stuff. It's stuff that I'm not reaching for as often, so maybe that's part of the reason that it's in there, but I might switch out things. For right now, I just like the way that it looks, so I'm keeping it there. This is my little reading nook, as I call it, where I have like a shelf full of little small trinkets and things that I just like to look at. Most of this stuff I actually got from Target, if not all of it, except for this ottoman. This ottoman is from TJ Maxx, and it's really awesome and super furry, and I love it. And it matches my rug, which I actually got, I believe, from Wayfair. And it's just a small little rug that I wanted to have to make the little area more cozy. And this chair actually inspired this room color and theme a lot. I love the blush color. And that one was from Target. And then the little chamois and pillow is from Amazon, so I'll try to link that. But the pillow itself, the inside part of it, is from IKEA. So all these little elements I just put on here for now because I was trying to create rows of different colors like mint, pink, yellow row. And so for right now, they're kind of just there hanging out, and I just like the way they look. So for now, I'm keeping them there. And I don't know if I'm going to move anything around in the future, but I'd love any ideas of things you guys would like to see on the shelf. I don't know. I just put random little trinkets and things that I love to just look at every day. And there's my little 11. Hi, girl. And then also my ampersand, a card that I made recently you guys saw, and then a bunch of my little roller dial type stamp things that I really don't use very often, but I love the way they look. They're super vintage and I do want to use them more, but now they just look pretty in a jar, so I don't know, they might be staying there for now. That curtain is from IKEA as well. It's super heavy duty curtain because it's made to block out the sun, but I just loved the pattern. It is a lined pattern, but it's hard to see because it's a very small and tight pattern, and I got the rail as well from there. And then I actually picked up this island from Facebook Marketplace, you guys. And then the island, the lights right above it are from, I believe it's from Pottery Barn. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. I really love this island. I got it for a steal of a deal. I don't even think that they make it anymore, so I'm extra happy with it. It actually didn't come with a top because, like I said, I got everything in this room for the most part. I tried to get it on a budget. So I actually got a guy who was also from Facebook Marketplace who sold quartz and granite to cut me a slab that would fit perfectly for this island, and he attached it. So I have an eggshell quartz that's really pretty and nice and kind of has a little bit of a shimmer when you get up close to it, and I really love it. I haven't really filled this thing up all the way yet, so that's why I didn't show you guys more. And then that little caddy that I have by the side that I ordered online, I just keep a bunch of my little tools handy near me because, you know, when I'm filming, those are things that I use most often. And then right here, you're gonna see the unit that you see to your left when you walk into the room, which is my container store unit. I love this unit. I didn't have the budget to do custom cabinets, and I thought this was like the next best thing because there's certain times of the years where they have deals and you can use coupons. And as you can see, you can put a lot on this. I haven't even finished really organizing it, but I wanted to film this video for you guys so you could see it. This white area over here is like a pegboard that they have that you can get little shelves and things that stick onto it, and I really love it. And then I just have a few little tools and my Tombow markers and different things just kind of hanging out there, and then that's one of the little shelves that attaches to the actual pegboard itself. That little white rack that has some of my sticker albums, that is from the Container Store as well, and then those clear little bins I actually picked up off of Amazon, so I'll try to link that if I remember. And then obviously there's Sassy stamps in there because why not? I have a little area there as well for my markers, and I got those containers, I believe, from Stamp and Storage. If I remember the links to everything, I will try to link it for you guys. I know I say that a lot, but I know I get questions. If I don't link anything or you guys have a question, please feel free to just ask me. This first little shelf you see there is one of the thinner, smaller shelves. You can do all thin shelves or all larger shelves like this one here. So it just depends on you. I don't know why I'm calling them shelves. They're like little cabinets, whatever they're called. And then you can get inserts to go inside of them as well. So you can customize them even further. So you're not just chucking things in there all like, you know, misorganized. So that's what I really loved about these is the dividers. That like was a game changer for me and really helped me to be more organized. This next area you see here, I really love. It's like my little desk area. I actually ordered that off of IKEA as well, and I just love everything about it. The chair is from, I believe, Amazon, and then I just have a few little random items there for when I want to craft and not film it. So that's kind of like the area that I do that. And then you see my Metal Awesome sign that was made by Jack Metals, or Jack I think it's called. I will link them in the description box. They're also a small business, so shout out to them. They did an amazing job on that. And I love looking at it. It kind of popped off the wall and I wanted it like that on purpose. So really love that. And then I just have my Eversew sewing machine, which I will also link because it's blush and it's got rose gold accents. It's so pretty. So this next cabinet I really love because I can put stamps on the top shelf of it, and it's really super sturdy, and you can pull it out all the way and literally it can take the weight and it doesn't like look like it's gonna fall. And so I really enjoy that as part of this unit. So it was one of the selling points for me because I really wanted to have an area where I could have my things more organized. I haven't filled up a lot of these things because I'm still in the process of like getting everything organized, but once I do, if you guys want to see organizational videos, feel free to let me know in the comments. I want to know what you guys need help organizing because I know as a crafter I still struggle with finding the right fit for me. This other next area is kind of looks like another desk area, but really it's more of like my storage and like extra space to put things on. I kind of use my other area more for that, and underneath I just have
have like a little rolling tote, a little stool, and then another one of the little shelves that I also got from IKEA. And these little shelves fit a really good amount of things in them. The first time I saw them was watching Jennifer Maguire, I believe. I mean, not the first time I saw them, but using them for craft storage. And I really love that you get the bigger and the smaller ones, so certain things you can fit in different cabinets that make more sense, and I'm really trying to make the best use of them, but I haven't really put everything in them yet that I want to. This area too is like a free-for-all. I haven't really decided what I'm hanging in this corner, but for now I have my little dry erase magnet board, which I love to write verses on, and just things that motivate me and quotes like that. And then I have a little Ray Dunn trinket bowl and a little Ray Dunn stamp trinket bowl as well, I guess it is, or a little tray, and then paper holder that I also got from the Container Store there. So again, kind of random stuff for now. And then these curtains I actually picked up from Amazon, but the rods are from IKEA, and they were really cheap. I just needed something really light and flowy so it would let light in, so I didn't need anything too extreme, if you know what I mean. And then this is the Martha Stewart unit that my husband built. It literally took him like a day and a half to build this. On top of it, I have my Project Life cards sitting in a little unit, and then a little rolly tote thing that I haven't filled up. Even though I really love a lot of things about this shelf, I will say that a lot of the pieces were warped, and my husband actually had to fix them and make them work, and it was not an easy task. So keep that in mind if you decide to get this unit or a unit from the Martha Stewart collection. I feel like it's kind of like a hit or miss whether you're going to get a unit that's workable. So I'm just glad my husband was able to kind of jimmy rig and fix it for me, because I do really love it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. You got a kick out of it. If you want to see more details or organization things, leave me comments below. Let me know what you want to see. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. The Gram and Facebook are one of the two places I'm most active. So if you want to interact more with me, get to know more about the things that are going on in the shop, then you want to follow me there. Also, you guys, for a while I've been wanting to do more types of videos, vlogs, more DIYs, more different things, and I want to know what you guys want to see, so let me know in the comments down below. I would love to kind of just expand the channel and continue to do what I've been doing, which I know you guys love already, but just add more to it. So let me know what you guys would like to see, because I'm really interested. And yeah, thanks again guys. Check you out later. Bye.